Please address recognizing egoic thought from action and words which arise out of presence. For example, write a book, move to the west coast of North America, and so on. How do you know where something comes from? How to recognize egoic thought from something? Now, in a way, the answer is already in the question, as is often the case. How to recognize egoic thought, how to tell the difference between egoic thought from action and words which arise out of presence. Egoic, the answer lies in the word thought. The ego consists of thought. And it's a thought that arises. It may be a strong thought, it may be an obsessive thought, it comes again and again and again. It may be a fleeting thought. One day you think, this is what I have to do, and then the next day you think, oh, maybe that's not it. So it could be, or it's an obsessive thought that gets hold somewhere in a corner of your mind, like an old record that's stuck, and it plays it again. You should be, yeah, he should. So you recognize it because what arises out of presence, the outer manifestation of that may also be a thought, but there is a deep inner knowing, a non-conceptual knowing that is not thought. So the energy behind it is very strong, and it's always a peaceful kind of energy. It's never jarred. It's not turbulent in the emotional sense. There's a powerful knowing. A realization comes. There's no question about it. And then the outer manifestation that makes it, oh, that's it. And you can't argue with that. You know it. So it's direct and immediate knowing that tells you the difference. It's good always to just feel what's the feeling quality. Is it just a thought in my head, or is there a deeper power underneath it, out of which the thought comes? A peaceful, silent power out of which that thought comes. That's presence. And action also. Action can come out of that. And action that comes out of ego is premeditated, wants to achieve something through it, is some kind of agenda, wants to enhance or protect the me. So that's, if in doubt, it's probably just an egoic thought. But time helps in that sense. Just wait, because thoughts come and go, and they wait and see. The next morning you may have a different thought, but that means before there wasn't that feeling quality behind it anyway. So that's to watch out for. What's the power out of which the thought comes? It usually feels good. It feels just right, and then the thought, there's a rightness. The rightness to it, yes. And the energy that comes it is deeper than emotion. It may touch on an emotion also, because everything is connected. It may touch an emotion, but it is deeper than emotion. The rightness of that, yes, that's it.